Hi everyone, it's Tammy and welcome to the final card of our 12 tags of Christmas. I guess our final tag, I should say. I need to grab a paper punch, hole punch. That's what I was trying to think of. Okay, so for this one you just need some red paper, a little bit of black paper, and some stickles or something that you can make some little dots with. It can be silver or gold or black. We're going to make some Santas, but we're just going to do like the top, like the Santa suit. It's going to be pretty cute, I think. So I'm just going to cut this red that I have that is just in my scraps. And I'm going to cut it at about 2 inches. And I'm going to do 3 of these just because that's how many I've been doing recently. And I don't know that I started out the tag series doing 3. It wasn't a thought that I had. It just kind of happened into that. And 3 seems to work well. So I just need 3 strips of that. And then I need 3 strips of the black. And I think I just probably wanted about 1/4 of an inch. Yeah, I think that's fine. That'll be at least 2 of them. And then another 1/4 of an inch to do my third one. So you don't need very much black at all. And then you want to cut this down so it's 2 inches, the same width as your tag. And I need one more cut at 2 inches. So I'm going to use some glue, and I'm just going to adhere or glue the little black strip. If I can get the glue to come out. And I'm going to do it probably 2/3 or a little bit further from the top. Okay, and then once you have those on there, all you need to do is punch a hole in the top of each one that we can run our ribbon through. And let's go ahead and do the ribbon because I don't want to put the stickles on and then risk the chance of messing it up. So let's do 1, 2, 3. For these tags, I've been getting some good use out of this red and white twine. I will have to get some more of that if I plan on making more tags, because that is my most common by far for Christmas. I thought I had a big spool of red and green, but I couldn't find it before I started. I don't know what I did with it, but I'm pretty sure I had one at one point. Actually, I think it was red, white, and green, which would work great for some of these projects too, but that's okay. Okay, and then what you're going to want is some, like I said, some gold or some white or some silver. I might use one of each of those. So let's see, I'm just going to make some buttons. And then I'm going to make a little belt buckle. by just drawing a square. Just like that. Isn't that cute? And then we'll just let it dry. I think I'm going to try this disco ball one. Super cute. And I think I'll do this white one. This is Liquid Pearls. I thought maybe it gave a color, but I don't see it. There we go. It's as simple as that. Super cute, super easy, and fun. Looks like it's a little present from Santa. So thanks for watching, guys, and have a great day. Thanks for watching this series, and if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and I'll try to do it again for next year. Thank you. Bye-bye.